Hello and welcome, creative friends. In today's video I want to show you a kit called Shabby Things from Sunflowers and Dors. This kit is from 2025 and contains 38 pages, which I'm showing you here. It's such a versatile and lovely kit. You can create a travel-themed journal, a journal about your collections, or the project I'm showing you here. This is an accordion pocket journal with tons of storage. This project is my design team project for the month of January, and I really hope you will like it. There will be a separate video on how to create this cute little journal. The measurements are roughly 6 by 4.5 inches or 15.5 by 11.5 centimeters. There are 10 pockets which can be accessed from the back, and they contain a mini journal, tags, journaling cards and a guest check. When you open the journal, there is a hidden pocket at the front and one in the back as well. On the right side is this cute little envelope. On the next page there is a fold-out with a tag. On the right side you will find a double belly band with a bingo card. On the next page there is another cute little envelope. On the right side there is a flip out with 2 belly bands and tags and a hidden pocket at the top and behind. The next page has 2 tag spots, one on the right and one on the left side, both with tags. Here you will find a pocket with a tag, and on the other side there is a writing space with a hidden pocket. The last 2 pages have on the left a flip up with a pocket and 2 tags, and on the right side there is another pocket with a tag and a hidden pocket. a quick reminder, on January 26th there will be the next video for Junk Journal January UK. The theme is timeless. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks so much for watching, happy creating, and see you next time.